Good evening and welcome to Broad Street Radio, your number one business radio. It's time for the Nigerian stock market report for today, 14th February 2022.
Yes, thank you very much. It is the stock market report on Valentine's Day.
Yes,
Despite the love in the air, traders and investors were still at the market doing what they know how to do best. But we could see a lot of Valentine love in the air, and of course, as we have seen in behavioral finance, that emotions probably affected some of their investment decision. And let's see how the market reacted today on Valentine's Day. Anyway, lest I forget, I think I have a Val waiting for me somewhere. So
okay.
by the time I'm through this report, I think I should be running to the lady of my life for over 22 years. I think this is a better time to renew our vow again on Valentine's Day. Yeah, I think in fact I'm going to have a special meal dinner.
Okay, are you the one preparing the meal?
That we've agreed. A
Yeah.
special meal, then we'll now
What is the
move around.
menu?
The menu, well, it's from that part of the country where let me just owo soup and
Okay,
and
and starch.
and starch, yes.
Yeah.
And starch, that's what we are prepared for ourselves. But we'll still go around and just sit down in some quiet places now that we don't have anybody at home with us for
You
now.
are now empty nesters. That's what they call it.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
we will take that opportunity today to renew. And of course, because I saw in the market today, I saw a lot of emotions flowing. Yes, and that is what we have seen today. Back to the stock market report. The all share index lost 0.29%, which shows that the bears were in control of the market today. So after losing, by the time the closing gong sounded, the ASI lost 0.29% to close at 47,066.7 basis points. Total number of shares at exchanges today was over 338 million shares, valued at over 5.7 billion naira in over 5,528 deals. Looking at the top gainers today, we had three top gainers. NCR added 10% to close at 3 naira 63 kobo, while the Brewer Guinness added 10% also to close at 66 naira 55 kobo. We also have Len Africa adding 10% to close at 1 naira 65 kobo. Also making the list of gainers today is UPL adding 9.81% to close at 2 naira 91 kobo, while Academic Press also added 9.56% to close at 1 naira 49 kobo. Looking at the sectorial performances today, let me start with the consumer goods sector, adding 1.14% to close at 585.58 basis point. NGS 30 also closed in the positive territory, adding 0.16% to close at 1,808.27 basis point, while the banking sector also closed positive, adding 0.04% to close at 453.65 basis point. However, the industrial sector closed in the negative territory, losing 0.07% to close at 2,136.87 basis point. The insurance sector closed in the negative territory, adding 0.16% to close at 185.55 basis point, while the oil and gas also closed negative, losing 0.24% to close at 422.91 basis point. I hope that's not connected to the current fuel issue we're having today currently in the country. And I hope NNPC with the group managing director Kyari Mele, or what's his name
Mele
again?
Kyari.
Mele Kyari. They will be able to, and of course the Minister for State and the substantive minister himself. I hope they'll be able to sort out all the issues today so that we'll have our filling stations to be free of queue. Yes, we've taken the top gainers. Let's move on straight to the top losers, that is the decliners chart today. Topping that chart is the Nigerian Police Microfinance Bank, losing 5.45% to close at 2 naira 8 kobo. I hope it's not connected to the recent issue with one of their officers for their bank to be losing over 5%. Yes, also making the list today, the decliners chart is NGS Group, losing 5.66% to close at 25 naira. We also have Custodian losing 5.7% to close at 7 naira 45 kobo. Courtville, the business solution people, also made a list of losers today, losing 7.27% to close at 51 kobo. We also have Japol Gold, the maritime expert, losing 7.69% to close at 36 kobo. This is the stock market report for today's Valentine Day. Over to you, Gina.
All right, and that is the report for today. I hope as we're out there, we're spreading love and we're sharing love. Not just to our significant others, but to our friends, our family, our neighbors as well. Let's go out there and spread love and positivity. Have an amazing